Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're checking out an insane DPF transformation on a heavy-duty Volvo. So what actually happens to a diesel particulate filter after massive mileage? Let's take a look. Meet our patient. It's a massive, hard-working Volvo truck that just rolled into the shop. The dash tells a wild story. This beast has clocked around 540,000 kilometers. But there's trouble. The diagnostic scanner is throwing critical fault codes for the DPF pressure sensor. We hooked up the DBMS 200. The back pressure reading, a whopping 19.1 millibars. It's totally choked up. That means this filter is a staggering 172% more blocked than a brand new unit. Look at this inlet contrast. The clogged up mess on the left, totally revived on the right. So, how do we fix it? We use the absolute powerhouse, inefficiency DPF 100 cleaning system. Check out the post-clean data. Back pressure plummeted down to just 6.2 millibars. What a relief. That's minus 12% compared to a new filter. Honestly, that is an incredibly fantastic result. Listen, don't wait for extreme blockages. We highly recommend preventative cleaning every 200 to 300,000 kilometers. inefficiency's DPF 100 gear restores your truck's performance, saves serious fuel, and keeps your fleet moving. So I gotta ask, is your current DPF maintenance strategy actually holding your whole fleet back?